Hello viewers, in this video we'll be speaking about Inventa's all-new product Reina LED outdoor light. This comes in 2-watt variations, the 6-watt and the 12-watt. The 6-watt one features a single-way light while the 12-watt offers a 2-way light. You can choose from 2 different color options, 6500 Kelvin giving you the cold white color and the 3000 Kelvin giving you the warm white variation. To find these products, always use the product codes. Let's take this for example. The product code of this particular light is 12YW32, where Y represents the warm white, but you can also see C. So this C represents the cool white color variation, and the 12 number denotes the wattage. Now let's pick this product and unbox this. This product comes with the light itself and also comes with a screw kit. This screw kit consists of 2 stainless steel screws along with a fixture. Now let's explore the product features. This light boasts a sturdy aluminum body with the high quality polycarbonate lens. Take a look at the high quality LED inside the high quality polycarbonate lens. Now let's start dismantling the lights to see its internals. Start by loosening the screws. Once you perfectly dismantle the product, you'll notice an O-ring that is inside for waterproofing purposes. Also, this product has been rigorously tested for high dust, rust and waterproof facilities with a rating of IP65. Now let's focus on the inbuilt 6 kVA surge protection driver potted with silicone for extra waterproofing. This surge protection driver ensures that your light remains shining bright in case of high voltage. In case your lights needs repair, the company also offers you a 2-year warranty period on this particular product. As for installing this light, it's pretty straightforward. Use the fixture anchor that they have provided and drill it onto the wall using a driller. And now take your base plate and fix them with the SS screws that you have been provided and fix the base plate onto the wall while making sure that the O-ring is also perfectly positioned for better waterproofing purposes. Now let's assemble and check the output. The light now looks rich and royal, adding a touch of luxury to your elevation and exterior walls. We have finally reached the end of this video. And it's worth mentioning that all these beautiful products are completely manufactured in India with their mass manufacturing unit currently present in Pallikaranai, Chennai. And if you have any further queries related to the product or replacement or warranty, please don't hesitate to call the toll-free number that is being displayed on the screen right now or reach out to us on support@inventaa.in. Thanks for watching.